Zhengzhou Baiyun Industrial Company Limited was founded in 2003. We are a professional manufacturer of brake pads and brake linings for both commercial vehicles and passenger cars. As our rich experience in friction material industry, we also provide equipments, molds, and full-range production solution to the global factories. Zhengzhou Baiyun Industrial Company Limited, one of China's advanced brake technology manufacturers. Baiyun utilizes cutting-edge brake technology that is precision-engineered to offer maximum safety, performance, and comfort. This uncompromising approach has been insisted on for over 20 years, focused on the R&D, manufacturing, and supplying of brake pads and brake linings for both commercial vehicles and passenger cars. Fighting for human traffic braking safety. We have obtained CCC, ISO 9001, IATF 16949 Quality Management Systems certificates, and have got Europe E-Mark certificates. Baiyun insists on creating high-quality products and strictly control product quality, available to discuss customers' requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to worldwide customers such countries and regions as USA, Paraguay, Honduras, Russia, Ukraine, Belarus, Kazakhstan, UAE, Iran, Yemen, Lebanon, Tanzania, and etc. We provide OEM and ODM service. We warmly welcome customers to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.